Now, in section 2, you are supposed to do 5 questions out of the 8 questions provided. Now, question number 17. A piece of wire can be folded into a rectangle whose dimensions are such that its length is 2 centimeters longer than its width. So the area of the rectangle formed is 120 centimeters squared. Part A of the question 1. Determine the dimensions of the rectangle. So this is our rectangle. So let the value of the width be x centimeters, and the length will therefore be x plus 2 centimeters. Now, from here we know the area of a rectangle is given by length times width. Therefore, area will be x plus 2 multiplied by x, and the area we know it is 120. Therefore, x squared plus 2x is equal to 120 centimeter square. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, we can say x squared plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now, we can find two factors whose sum is 2 and whose product is negative 120. Those two factors are negative 10 and 12. So this one will give you x squared minus 10x plus 12x minus 120 is equal to 0. We factor out x in the first part, so it will be x into bracket x minus 10 plus, we use now the constant here, we say 12 into bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now, taking x and positive 12, you can say x plus 12 into bracket, and one of the bracket, which is x minus 10, is equal to 0. Therefore, either of them is a 0. So we can simply say x plus 12 is equal to 0. This one will give us x is equal to negative 12. And for the other part, x minus 10 is equal to 0. So this one will give us the x as positive 10. So we are dealing with the length. So x is 10. The dimensions are therefore width is equal to 10 centimeters because it is the x, and the length is x plus 2. So this one is 10 plus 2, and we are going to get 12 centimeters. In A part 2, we are also asked to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we are going to say perimeter is equal to 2 into bracket length plus width. So this one will be given by the length, which is 12, plus the width, which is 10. So perimeter is simply 2 multiplied by 22. So the perimeter is 44 centimeters. In part B of the question, you are asked, the same piece of wire can be folded into a circle. Taking pi as 22/7, you find the radius of the circle, and hence you calculate the area of that circle. Now, solution. The circumference of the circle is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. Therefore, circumference is pi d, and this one is equal to 44 centimeters, the one that we found earlier. Therefore, pi, which is 22/7, times the diameter is equal to 44. So the diameter will be given by 44 multiplied by 7/22. So this one will give you diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. Therefore, radius is 7 centimeters. So the area of the circle is given by r squared. So this one will give you 22/7 times 7 squared. So this is simply 154 centimeter square.